Hello everyone, today I will show you iOS 18.3 6 settings you need to turn off right now. Here's how it is done. Precise location, settings, privacy and security, location services, apps, turn off precise locations for apps that didn't need it. Significant locations, settings, privacy and security, location services, system services, significant locations, disable to protect location privacy. Ad tracking, personalized ads, settings, privacy and security, Apple advertising, turn off personalized ads, analytics and improvements, settings, privacy and security, analytics and improvements, turn off all toggles to stop sending data to Apple, in-app ratings and reviews, settings, App Store, turn off in-app ratings and reviews to avoid interruptions, auto-join hotspots, settings, Wi-Fi, auto-join hotspots, set to ask to join or never to avoid unsafe networks. That is everything you know about iOS 18.3 6 settings you need to turn off right now. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.